Wake up. I usually wake up at 5:30 in the morning. Get up. I get up right after my alarm rings. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth before having breakfast. Take a shower. I take a cold shower to feel fresh. Get dressed. I get dressed before school quickly. Brush my hair. She always brushes her hair neatly. Have breakfast. We have breakfast together at 7 a.m. Make the bed. She makes her bed every morning. Pack my bag. I pack my bag the night before school. Leave the house. I leave the house at 8 a.m. Go to school. I go to school by tricycle. Attend classes. We attend classes until 8 p.m. Take a break. Let's take a short break after lunch. Have lunch. They usually have lunch at noon. Do homework. I do my homework after coming home. Check emails. She checks her emails during the day. Make phone calls. I make phone calls when needed. Go shopping. She goes shopping on her way home. Run errands. I run errands like buying groceries. Meet friends. I sometimes meet friends after school. Come home. I come home around 8 p.m. Cook dinner. My mom cooks dinner every evening. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Wash the dishes. She helps wash the dishes. Watch TV. I watch TV for an hour at night. Read a book. I read a book before going to bed. Take a bath. I take a relaxing bath in the evening. Go for a walk. They go for a walk after dinner. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Fall asleep. I usually fall asleep quickly.